Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up Wix bookings with payment options. So for this, first of all, go to App Market and search for schedule or Wix bookings. So if you have upgraded website, you can go with this app. But if you are free, then just simply download this app here and then click on open. So you will be directed to this page here. Now you need to add a schedule here, like you want to schedule events or any other thing. So I will go with event here and click on add an event. So first of all, give your event a name. Let's say it's a session, or let's say it's a seminar. Okay, now you can add a subtitle. So let's say it's a seminar of a psychologist, you can name them. Then we have the location where it is, so it is in London. Then you can add description, that what are the services they can enjoy there. So you can just customize it as the way you like. Okay, then you can enter the time and date. Now you need to enter the fee. So here we want this fee monthly, and then just add a price here, and after that just simply you can design your template and then add pictures, and then you can publish this ad as a booking so people can book them online and you're good to go. So in this way you can set up Wix bookings with payment option. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.